Good morning students. Today we are entering into the next topic, that is measurement of length using a ruler. The last class we have seen to measurement of length. Here with the ruler, that is the scale. You will have a centimeter scale in your box now, that only. With that only what is a measurement like that we are going to see. 15 centimeter scale is a short scale, and if you are having long scale means it will have 30 centimeters. So here I have represented a scale just for your representation only. For identification I have drawn up to 15 measurements I have drawn here. So here in between the numbers there are small markings are there. So what is that representation? That also I will explain now. The ruler starts, every ruler has starting point from 0. From 0 to 15 I have drawn here. It always starts from 0. The scale starts from 0 marking. So in between 0 and 1 few markings are there. So how will you read that markings means 0 after 0.1, next 0.2, next marking is 0.2. So as well as I am saying, take your scale and see to that markings also. And next to 0.2, 0.3, and next one is 0.4, and next one is 0.5, and next 0.6, or you can say as 0.6. Next one 0.7 or 0.7, and next one is 0.8 or 8 or 0.8 or 0.8 you can say, and next one is 0.9, and next one is 0.10, which is 0.10, which can be said as 1. So here 1, and next one is 1.1, next 1.2, next 1.3, next 1.4, next this is 1.5. The mid values will be having 0.5. Okay, everything will be having 0.5. In the more than this, no, this length, no. So this is 1.5. If it starts from 1 means it is 1.5. Next 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and 2. And next it starts 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6. Up to here, it between 2 to 3 it will be 2 point it will be, and 3 to 4 it will be 3 points, it will be 3.1, 3.2. Between 4 to 5, 4 point, it will start from 4.1 or 4.2, like that it will start. So you know this, no? Now the markings how it comes like that you all know. So see to this problem here. Draw lines of the following measurements using a ruler. Using a ruler you are going to draw the line with these measurements. So before that I will just explain. You see here I am keeping a chalk piece here. From 0 marking only always you should take a measurement. From 0 to 1 it is. So the measurement is 1 centimeter. Okay, from 0 only you have to start. If you are taking your pen and keeping the pen in the 0 marking and you find the answer from 0, how much the length is. So the length of this chalk piece is 1 centimeter. And next see here, it is given, no, we have to draw a line with this measurement 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means how the line will be. We have to start from 0. You have to start from 0. Keep the scale there. This is a 0 marking. Start from there. Keep this as A point. And here B. Here it will be B. So this is a measurement of 6 centimeter. From here to here you have to draw a line, and below that write as 6 centimeter. So this is the measurement for 6 centimeter. And next it is given as 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter means from 0 to 10 you have to take. So as the same thing, keep the fixed point as A, that is from 0, that is A, and B in 10 centimeter at 10. So which is said to be as a 10 centimeter. Next one is 10 centimeter. See the next one, 8 centimeter, 3 millimeter is given. In the lower class itself you have learned this, no? Millimeter means that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then how will you convert to centimeter? Because you are going to use your ruler only, no? It will be in centimeter only. How will you write that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter? So which is 0.1 millimeter. 3 millimeter is here, no? 3 millimeter is there. So to convert that, it will become a 0.3 centimeter. If it is 3 millimeter means, while you are converting, it will come to 0.3 centimeter, 0.3 centimeter. See here, 1 centimeter means 10 millimeter. If it is 3 millimeter means 0.3 centimeter. It will become like this, 0.1. If it is here 0.1 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Now you could able to identify this. See here, if it is 0.1 means it is 1 millimeter. So the same, 0.3 centimeter is equal to 3 millimeter. So now you are going to add these two things, 8 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter. How will you write as 8.3 centimeter is 8.3 centimeter. So how will be the marking? How will you draw the line? Have to start from here. This point is A. From 0 marking only you have to keep the point. First point is A and you have to draw up to 8.3 centimeter. 8.3 will be in between 8 and 3 only. So next to 8, see to the first marking, that is 8.1. Second marking is 8.2 and the third marking is 8.3. So you have to draw here 8.3. It will be up to here. This will be B. So this marking will be from A to B. Here is 8.3 centimeter. You will draw like this from A to 8.3, that is B. This is the measurement centimeter, and this is the same way, like the same only, 12 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Here 3 millimeter is given, here 8 millimeter is given. So you have to convert into centimeter and then you draw the line like this way. And next one, compare and fill in the circles with less than, greater than or equal. So you are going to use these three signs in this circle. First one, see, you have to compare the units. It is given the units and the numbers. And here 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So which one is compare? Which one is less than? We have to use less than or greater than or equal you have to use. So here the sign, open sign will face the greater number. So here which one is greater? 9 centimeter is greater, no? So you have to draw the open face here. The open face should be here. So the sign is here, this one, 7 centimeter less than 9 centimeter. And next one, 1400 centimeter and 14 meter. Centimeter is bigger or meter is bigger? Meter is bigger. And here see, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So here 14 meter is given. So 14 meter is equal to 1400 centimeter. So now compare, both are equal only. 14 meter is equal to 1400 centimeter. So I have given equal sign there. And next one, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Yeah, right. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter only. So we can give equal sign here. And the remaining 3 you can do as your homework. Okay. Easy only. Just compare the units and the numbers. Whether it is equal or less than or greater, like that you are going to find and you are going to fill these 3 questions. And the next one, see. Rahul has drawn a house using a ruler. So you can see the picture here, the house picture. And now the first question, see here, mark 3 lines of the same length in red. What is their length? So you are going to draw the lines in red color which are in same length. 3 lines are there, no, which are in 3 lines. You are going to, which are in 3 lines which are same in length. So you are going to draw in red color. With the red color pencil or marker you can draw in red color. The 3 lines you are going to find which are in same length, and you are going to find what is their length, and you are going to find the length which are same in length. No, the 3 lines will be there which are in same length. You are going to draw it in a red color and you are going to find what is the length. So see to the picture, take your ruler and keep the ruler and keep in the point. From point to point you are going to see and you are going to find the answer, how much length it was. And next one, the window is a square. What is the length of each side of the square? So here in the picture, in the house picture, there is a square shape which is a window, that is the representation of that. And what is the length of each side? So you are going to keep the ruler and you are going to find the centimeter. And next one, what is the height of the door? And there is a door in the house, so So you are going to find what is the height from top to bottom. That only the door alone you are going to find the height. So this is your homework for you. Now see to the fourth problem. Priyanka buys some decorative sticks of 25 centimeter each. The sticks need to be fitted along a wall which is 200 centimeter long. What is the minimum number of sticks she needs to cover the length of the wall? So it is given first 25 centimeters of each sticks. Priyanka is buying 25 centimeter stick. Each needs, the stick need to be fitted along a wall for 200 centimeter. For 200 centimeter each stick should be fitted. So how many sticks are needed? That is the question. What is the minimum number of sticks she need to cover the length of the wall? So to find this, there are several ways to find this one. So first you can divide or we can multiply and see up to 200 it should be within the 200 only. So minimum only they have asked, no. So see here, we can multiply any number to this number 25. So it should be within or it should be equal to that number. So multiply and see that 25. Okay, we are going to multiply with 25. So for 5 we can multiply at first. 125 is 25, no. So 225 is a 50. It should be within 200. So normally I am taking 5. So with this middle term we can find whether it is coming within or greater, or else we can try to 4, or else if it is so less means we can try it for 6. So now we can try it for 5. 25 into 5. 5 5s are 25. I am writing 2 outside. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 125. It is within that number only. So we can take more than 5. So take 7 and see. 5 7s are 35 and 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 3, 17. So 175. So which is also within that only. So we can try it for 8. 25 into 8. 5 8s are 40. 4 is out. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So it's equal to this number 200. So definitely it will be 8 sticks only. The minimum number of sticks is 8 sticks. They need of 8 sticks to cover the length of the wall. It is very easy. So 25 centimeter means, so in the 30 centimeter scale if you see means, we can calculate up to from 0 to 25 centimeter, that is 1 stick. Up to 200 you have to calculate. So by this method also we can find, by multiplying also we can see, by division also we can do, by repeated addition also we can see, we can add 25 plus 25 plus 25. How much 25s are coming, that by that way also we can do, by this way also we can do. So 25 into 8 is 200. So they need of 8 sticks. 8 sticks to cover the wall, cover the length of the wall. The wall length is 200 centimeter. There is one stick length is 25 centimeter. So totally 8 sticks we need to cover 200 centimeter wall. And next question, Rahul broke his ruler. He used a part of the broken ruler to measure the length of a ribbon. What is the length of the ribbon? So here Rahul broke his ruler. He broke the ruler. So here he is taking the measurement from 10 measurement. From the measurement of 10 he is starting with that ribbon, red color ribbon he is measuring. So because before that number was broken, no, the ruler has broken before the 10. So he is taking measurement from 10. From the measurement of 10 he is taking. Before that the ruler has broken. So after 10 he is keeping the ribbon at the point of 10. At the point of 10 he is keeping the ribbon. The tip is he is keeping here in the 10, and the end point is there. If you see to the picture you can find the measurement, or you can see to your book. So which is after 18. It is between 18 and 19. The measurement there is 5. 18.5 is there. 18.5 is there. From here to 18.5 the ribbon ends. The red color ribbon ends. So the measurement here is from 10 to here, if we have seen means 18.5 centimeter. So before that there are no markings, no. So what will be the accurate centimeter, the ribbon centimeter will be? So here to find that we have to subtract before numbers. From 0 marking only, no. From 0 to 10 there is no markings. From 0 to 10 there are no markings here. It was broken. So from 10 measurement only we have to, from 10 to 18 point it was there. So before that we have to subtract. These 10 markings we have to subtract. So 18.5 minus 10 centimeter, which is to subtract first 18.5 and then 10.0. 10.0 is equal to 10 only. So now subtract these two numbers, you will get the answer as 8.5. First here 5 minus 0 is 5 and keep the point, and here 18 minus 10 is 8 or 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. You should not start the number with 0, no. So the answer is 8.5 centimeter. What is the length of the ribbon now? It is 8.5 centimeter. As the same way, next question you are going to do as your homework, 6th problem as your homework. Rahul uses a broken ruler to measure the length of a pen. What is the length of the pen? As the same way, this process, same procedure only you are going to do this one. First you are going to see to the measurement from that marking to the last marking, from the top, from the tip to the last end, and then you are going to subtract the before numbers. So you are going to do this as your homework problem. So we can see the next topic in the next class. Thank you, students.